do it.
Hey, it is recording.
Gotta do it. Oh yeah, we'll record you. My GoPro. What do you want that?
Dueling GoPros.
Huh? This is for our YouTube game. Okay, well we're out here with the lightning.
Bird's not sick enough for Damon. Get back to work, Bird. You don't look sick.
Break time, though. Here's the problem here. So if you retreat, you just get under there and then you're stuck under there, can't do that one. You get all the way to the car to get back to somewhere you can actually see. Yeah, now the problem is you can't make a U-turn hard enough. Why? Well, I mean, you know what?
Got my Florida man boots on. So I'm gonna put them in my trunk, I guess. I don't know. Okay, I got a burrito this thing.
Why don't I feel like it's gonna, oh, you can fly.
That's messed up though, right?
Yeah, but I think it's gonna be okay maybe if we leave it alone now. So I guess it can fly. But we tried to do a good deed.
Guess we'll find out if it just flops into the water.
Well, he's coming back around here. Here he comes. Yeah, he seems to be doing pretty good. Yeah. Oh, he crash landed, but I think he's okay. I mean, he can fly.
That's a pretty good flight.
That was pretty good.
You wanna go look one last time?
Let's go fuck with it some more real quick. I mean, check on it.
Seems like it was going pretty well.
I mean, that didn't look like the best landing I've ever seen. Did it land in the lake? Oh, what a dumbass. Never mind. Storm's coming.
That was a pretty actually drunk looking flight too.
I mean, it seemed like it was going pretty good, but I just realized where he landed is right here next to this drain thingy. It looked like it actually kind of crashed into it a bit. See him? Yeah, he's not doing good. So anyway, this is a better position for you, Dylan. Throw it on there. Now grab it.
Where's his face?
Up at the top. There you go. You need help? I think you got it.
That's its talons grabbing that. It's drowning us.
Grab its talons so he can't. That's the main thing with birds is immobilize the legs. So once you got his legs immobilized, and watch the head, and if you can just bring him out of the water, when you set him down,
Where's
they're
his head?
repositioning. Let's find out.
She said to burrito it.
Yeah, just wrap it up like a burrito. It's usually with his head hanging out, so it doesn't.
Ooh, those talons are brutal.
Might take something else.
That must be its head, which
Yeah.
maybe is good to have it right there.
Yeah, so I think, ooh, probably good.
Where is this thing? I feel like I'm crushing it.
No, that's his back. There's his head. Oh,
Up
that's
here.
his head right there.
What should I do?
Just kind of fold his wings in. Like this wing in right here, if you can. Kind of like the shed, like kind of roll it up into a football. They need to be in football format. There you go.
Man.
Just grab it and hold on to it tight and be firm. There you go.
I just leave it tight. I should leave it tight covered. I've seen this go wrong.
Yeah, definitely.
Should I do it quick?
I guess so. Are you heading to the bird place?
I'm gonna throw it in my trunk, I guess.
All right.
feel like we should get a photo of his head out, but then he's gonna try to bite me.
Looking on my gear over there. I guess they'll move it for me. Ah, fuck. Playing with the bird. Forgot about my gear over here with Damon. Heck yeah. Go ahead. Yeah, he went to the car with it.
Oh, he got it?
Yeah.
Oh,
I was videoing it.
let me, man.
I was filming it.
Thanks. I think I'm your caddy.
I know. I was counting on that. I was filming that shit. Oh,
Fall down, didn't put
what happened with the bird?
Oh, the bird has successfully been dropped off to save our seabirds near Moat Marine. But while I was there, a lady happened to just pull up in her little sedan, and she was dropping off a bird too. So I ran over and helped her like with a tiny little like mockingbird or something, and we threw it in the cage also.
Nice.
But not with the Osprey in a separate cage. It's a success.
Word.
Thanks.
Wow, there they went. Got it.
I got the last one. I tried to look
I need to put flames on my car.